In this video, I'm going to show you how you can round numbers in Notion in 3 different ways. So let's look at this example. Let's say that we have 23.850382 and we want to round it. Now we do have a function in Notion that allows us to round to the nearest whole number. So here I just added a formula property, and all that I'm going to do once I open it up is type out round, open parentheses, and just select the number that I want to round. Close my parentheses, and I can save. And what this formula is going to do, it's either going to round up or down to the nearest whole number. But what it can't do is that it can't round to a certain amount of decimal places. So for example, if you wanted to round to the first decimal place or to the second decimal place, we can't do that with just this formula. So then let's say that we want to round to the first decimal place. I'm going to go back to the formula. I'm going to delete this last parentheses here, and I'm going to multiply by 10. Okay, I can close my parentheses, and now I need to divide by 10, and so my answer would be 23.9. And now it's rounding to that first decimal place. What if we wanted to round to the second decimal place? Let's go back to our formula. All that we need to do is add a 0 here where we added the 10 and the 10. So now instead of multiplying by 10, let's multiply by 100 and let's divide by 100. And so as we see now, our answer would be 23.85. So these zeros are going to indicate the number of decimal places that you can round to. So you can add another 0 here and another 0 here, and it's just going to keep rounding to that decimal place. Another thing that you can do is round a number up or round it down. So if you want to round up, let's go back to our formula. There is a function called ceil, so this one right here, and then just include your number, and this function is always going to round up. Let me save. There we go. Now if we wanted to round down so that it becomes just 23, let's go back. We would use, instead of this function, we would use floor. And so it would round down to 23. And those are a couple different ways that you can round using Notion. I hope this video was useful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.